When it comes to vehicle safety, there is virtually nothing more important than tires. They're literally where the rubber meets the road, affecting everything from traction to handling, steering, stability, and braking. In this video, let's talk about the 7 most common reasons for tire failure and what you can recommend to customers to prevent them. You know what I find amazing? The fact that tires can last 80,000 miles or more. Of course, that's only if they're properly installed, aligned, and regularly inspected by your technicians and maintained by the customer. When tires do fail, there's usually a clear reason why. Let's start with underinflation, one of the most common causes of tire failure. When tires don't have enough air, their sidewalls flex too much. This creates dangerous heat, especially during highway driving and hot weather, and can lead to tread separation or sudden blowouts. Your customers should know their recommended tire pressures and check them regularly when the tires are cold. On the flip side, overinflation is just as problematic. It makes the ride harsh and can make tires more vulnerable to damage from potholes and curbs. Remind customers to never exceed the maximum pressure rating on the tire sidewall. Third on our list is overloading. This is particularly important for pickup trucks, vans, and SUVs. Help your customers check the load rating of tires and make sure they match the vehicle's needs. If they don't, upgrade them to a higher load rating. Fourth, road hazards are always a concern. Sometimes, hazards like potholes and debris are unavoidable. Ultra-low profile tires are especially vulnerable to sidewall damage from these hazards. That's why you should recommend regular tire inspections to your customers, especially after hitting a hazard on the road. Fifth, structural defects can cause issues. This one is super rare, but manufacturing defects can lead to poor adhesion between the treads and belts. Before installing, always inspect new tires for obvious defects like bulges, lumps, or cracks before installation. Sixth is excessive speed. Driving at sustained high speeds on tires that aren't properly speed rated or are badly worn is especially dangerous in hot weather or with an overloaded vehicle. Make sure your customers' tires match their vehicle requirements and driving habits. Finally, installation errors can cause issues for a tire from the start. Not using bead lubricant, improper mounting techniques, or trying to mount the tire on the wrong size rim can all lead to failures down the road. So make sure your technicians are doing all the right things to keep customers safe. At the end of the day, most tire failures are preventable with proper maintenance, regular inspections, and correct installation. Make sure your technicians are well trained and your customers are well informed about proper tire care. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.